how to use a Bluetooth-enabled motion detector to collect motion data using Pivot Interactives. So first, I have a Pivot Interactive assignment up that is set up to collect motion sensor data. The individual assignments might look different, but here's how you start. In your data table, you need to configure the Bluetooth device. That is the motion detector. So I have the option here to connect a device. I'll turn that on. This is the Bluetooth pairing. And then I'll turn on the Bluetooth device here. Just hit power, red light starts blinking. Once your computer picks up that there's a Bluetooth device looking to get paired, confirm that this serial number matches the serial number on the front of the sensor, and then connect to it. There's a risk in a large classroom that you could wind up connecting to someone else's motion detector. You will know you're connected when the light goes green and you hear it starting to click. So again, confirm this number matches your motion detector's ID. Now that we've connected this, you're ready to set up for data collection. So now this is a physical issue. I'm going to take my motion detector and my moving object and place them on a start line over here. I've chosen to make this seam on the table be my start line. So I'm going to place the buggy's front wheels just behind that. Place the motion detector somewhere behind the buggy. That location is not so important because I'm about to zero it in the software. I'm going to decide that right now that position should be called 0. Now you're ready to start capturing data. Choose capture. Data will begin collecting, but of course my buggy's not moving yet. Let's make that happen. As long as that device is clicking, then you're collecting data. I'd like to run this for about a meter, and then I will stop data collection. So before and after that run of the buggy, I've got some data that's nonsensical. But let's make sense of that on a graph. So in the graph, already set up here on the Pivot Interactive, I'm going to choose quantities to put on the vertical and horizontal axis. The data collection table above offered us position data and time data. So I'm going to plot a position versus time graph. These are all individual data points. It's just that there are so many of them that they've all kind of run together. Really, the part of the run that I care about is here. There's an interesting little hiccup kind of in the middle of that line, but I'm going to select the data that I actually care about. And it's just a click and drag kind of a movement. This is the part I want to analyze. That sure does look pretty linear. Let's see if a linear fit makes sense. Click the gear up here and choose curve fits and then linear. So this is up to you to decide what shape that fits best. And then now I've got a line that fits through my data. That data does appear to be pretty darn linear, and I get some information about that line. Y equals ax plus b. There is a slope and a y-intercept there. That then, my friends, is how you collect data from a Bluetooth-enabled motion sensor using Pivot Interactives. Thank you.